Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is a big day. Today is a surprise day. Like today, I'm so happy. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli hal. I'm so happy. So today I started to do a vlog for you guys. I'm going to market. I don't even know where exactly I'm going to buy this thing. Okay, it's a big thing and it's not a small money. I thank God I made that. So I'm going to buy a sewing machine. Ooh. A sewing machine, okay? It's not like a hand one, the electric or industrial one, okay? So guys, I'm so happy. Allah answer my prayers and everything, okay? So I'm going to buy an industrial machine. I done this top for myself, the one that I'm wearing. Look at the front. So